What is up, guys? Welcome back to Trucking with Sam and Kyra. It's time for the travel vlog with my 2001 Bluebird All-American. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. I just did my pre-trip and everything looks just fine on the bus. So, put it in reverse. I'll use my right hand for the steering wheel. So, are you guys ready? Here we go! And, Snohomish County elevators. There goes my fingers. They love it, they love it, they love it! We had to get out for the travel vlog in your 2001 Bluebird All-American. We had to get in here. You can't do it without us. Yeah. Fingers? They strike again. That's for Daryl right there, who runs Kansas and Missouri Real Fan. Did I get you good, Daryl? Drop it in the comments, so that way I know if I got you or not. Alright. Sorry about that. I got a text message from my mom. She's on the train. She's got front runner train number 8. So, yep, she's got that train, and I've got my 2001 Bluebird All-American rear engine with a Cat 3126 and an Allison automatic transmission. Blow your air horn! No air horn, but I gotta wait, and there goes my fingers again. I love it! I love it! I love it! We have got to get in here. We have got to see that old school Pete. Yeah. Fingers? They strike again. LOL. LOL. There we go, got that pushed. Well, that was fast. LOL. So, yeah. And if you guys liked how you saw everything worked on those two zero-reach Autocar ACX trucks, please let me know in the comments and what you think of how they worked and all that stuff. So, yeah, I'm really happy. And guys, I'm going to be back to riding a school bus again. Mom hasn't told me which bus it is, but when she tells me, I'll tell you guys in the near future. So, yep. And I just filled this thing up when I first got it. This one has a 100-gallon diesel fuel tank on it, so it doesn't quite hold as much as my semi-trucks, but still pretty decent. And if there's a little bit of wind noise, I do apologize for that, but hopefully you guys can hear me okay. So, yep, I'm really excited for the back to school night. It is going to be amazing. And in fact, it's today, which is even more exciting because I don't get to be at North Davis Junior High School anymore. So I might pass there a few times. If I do, I'll get some footage of it. Well, I'll be heading to that place. Oh, I actually just saw an old CFI trailer. Those crappy 3 series. They're just crappy. If you watched one of Riding with Dave's videos, or a couple of Running with Dave's YouTube videos on his CFI series, he encounters a lot of fuss with those trailers. They're not as good as a 5 series CFI trailer. And I will attach his channel in the description of the video. And yeah, I hope you guys are about as excited as I am. It's just, I'm really, really pumped to, whatchamacallit, start a new year in a new grade. I'm in 10th grade, boys and girls. So I'm getting close to my life, which I'm going to be doing our trucking. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited to start a new journey with this school. It is going to be awesome. And guys, I won't be able to get you guys some footage because my battery is low. But yeah, guys, I am really excited to start this journey with Clearfield High. And I got to be there for 3 years, so shouldn't be too bad. There was one elementary where I was there for 1 year. To me, it wasn't good enough, but this one, it's going to be a lot more epic. It's going to be 3 years. So, yep, here's a Volvo up there. It's a VNL 760. What you guys think? And that's also going to be one of the trucks I'm going to be having for next year. And next month, I'm going to be thrown into 2 trucks. One of them is going to be for A days, one of them is going to be for B days. Yeah, I'm really excited. So, yeah. I hope you guys are about as excited as I am. Yep. Here comes a Volvo. Blow your air horn! Yes! Woo! Yeah, baby! cool air horn right there? Let me know in the comments in what you think of that air horn on this Volvo 760 with extended fairings. And this one does have a reefer trailer on it. Thankfully, it's not as loud. It's a carrier reefer. Man, look at that moose bumper. Isn't that nice? Let's watch him go. Woo! It makes it really quick. And here's a blue Cascadia day cab with dual CB antennas. That is nice. There goes 17011 right here. Ooh, it's got some massive dents on it. But it's a good thing it's going back to the garage because it's out of service. And yeah, I'm just excited, guys. You will not believe how excited I am. And I'm going to be parking my bus on this side over here because I'm going to be going to Young Man's after this. So that way I can be there. And then I'm going to go to a nice quiet spot. And then I'm going to tell you guys how the back to school night went. So, yeah. There goes my fingers again. They love it, they love it, they love it. We have got to get in here. You can't do it without us. So, yeah. So, yeah, guys. So, guys, this is going to be the end right here. Oh, listen to that. That is badass. So, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. And subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Peace.